The persistent traveler across the world, no one does it better. The persistent traveler.
Hello there. It's travel day again today, and it's pre-flight night. So we're staying in the Premier Inn in North Terminal in Gatwick Airport, and I bet you can't guess where we're flying to tomorrow. So I'll show you the room. This is on the 3rd floor, and it's like any other Premier Inn room, apart from this one's got a screeching fan. It's quite noisy in there with the fan. I don't know whether you can hear it, but it's got a lovely shower, no bath, but I don't know how it's... Yeah, I'll go rid of it for a bit. Yeah, we've got a view of the inside, so we've got a nice room. So this bathroom is the typical bathroom for a Premier Inn, but it has got no bath. Normally there's a bath here, but it's got a nicer shower by the looks of it. So the showers are really nice here, and I also like the soap as well that they use. Babyliss and Harding, or Bayless and Harding, not Babyliss, Bayless and Harding. I had to say something wrong, didn't I? There's also a hook there. Here we have a full length mirror, again, lots of mirrors, and behind you, and somewhere to put our coats, behind you is actually where you can store some clothes. There's like a bit of a wardrobe and an extra towel there. Here is something that is very important to us because we sleep at home with 2 pillows each, and that's how we roll. And so there's extra pillows in there, and we use those. So there's 2 pillows on the bed, which are very comfy, but we also put the 2 pillows out. That is Pandy's job, to get the pillows out. That's had a hammering.
Yeah, but isn't it?
Yeah. Right, there's another mirror. So we got a full length one there, and another one there. This one lights up. No, it doesn't, but it used to light up. It doesn't work for some reason now, but it was me being all, look what I can do. Yeah, Pandy could have fixed that. Of course, he's an electrician, isn't he? Hairdryer here, plug sockets there. This is where we store our luggage. And then by the side of each bed is the same. You've got a main light switch, should be, and also a night. Oh, actually, one of them is there. One of them is there. Oh, that's pretty. You want to turn the power off?
No, I'll turn the cat on.
Oh, thank you. So I could talk.
I should turn the back on, shouldn't I?
Yeah, shut me up. This also comes in handy as well, bottle opener, if you bring in a bottle of beer. Same here. Oh, I don't know what's under there. Looks like, some bedding. Some bedding, because this can be transformed into a bed, this chair here, which we're not going to do, but if we needed a spare bed, or if we have an argument, one of us can sleep there. You've got a desk area. I know, I'm dying to have a look outside. I'll show them now. Desk area, telephone, menu for the drinks. Is there a food menu? You've got it in your hand. There's a food menu which is modelled by the model. What are you having tonight?
Can't see much, I've got my other glasses on.
Oh, can I show them? So this is, God, that's so noisy, that fan. There's some of the food items there. Thank you, Pandy. I normally have the chicken macaroni, and Pandy usually has either the mixed grill, which is $18.99, steak, which is $17.99, chicken macaroni curry is £14.20. We've been having our eye on, I can't see it on there, there was a cheesecake. Ice cream sundae with nibbles. Yeah, so there's there you go. If you there's the gluten-free as well. Scan for our non-gluten containing. Yeah, so gluten-free there. And here is the breakfast. They do an absolutely lovely breakfast normally in Premier Inn, but tomorrow we're flying business class. So we're going straight to the lounge. We're not having breakfast here, so we won't be having the meal deal. Going back, you've got two, I'm forgetting the name for everything, they're called cups, they're called spoons, and tea, coffee, milk and sugar there. And another mirror, just in case you were missing me. And my scruffy hair because I've been sleeping. And then outside, look at that. Now, it used to look so different here. In the centre used to be table and chairs, like the odd one dotted round. But now they've got a lovely outside bar. Not so lovely in this weather because it's very cold and wet at the moment. I was going to say windy, but it doesn't get windy down there. But they've got a bar down there, which is serving drinks. I can see one person down there actually, and that's it. But we will be venturing down there after, and having a few beers, I think, and a meal out. But very happy, excited for our flight tomorrow. So our flight tomorrow, we're flying, like I said, business class with British Airways, which we're interested in because we flew 6 weeks ago upper class with Virgin Atlantic. So we've done both before, so we can try and compare because it's quite fresh in our minds from 6 weeks ago. And we're going to MCO Orlando. Yeah, can't wait. We'll be checking in to Stella Nova, one of the new hotels there. They've got Terra Luna, Stella Nova and Helios. So we're having 2 nights in Stella Nova before we move down to the Disney Springs area, where we've got a Wyndham hotel down there. So that's something different for us to vlog. Usually we vlog the same things over and over again. It's going to be, for a few years it was Homewood Suites on American Way, thank you. And then recently it's been Dockside. We've tried a couple of different hotels, so very much looking forward to going to Stella Nova tomorrow night. And the biggie, which I can't wait to show you, is we're filming this on a Tuesday. We fly on a Wednesday tomorrow, and on Thursday we're going to Epic Universe. I can't believe it. We've got 2 tickets for Epic Universe. That's not officially opening until May the 22nd, but I'm going to vlog it for you guys on the 17th of April. So I hopefully will put it straight on for you guys to see. But I'm so excited, and we're busy researching like where to go when we get into Epic and what to do. Our friend Jeff, who went yesterday, has kindly given us some insight, you know, some do's and don'ts, things like make sure you got a hat, sun cream, extra batteries, blah blah blah, and things like that. Also sent us a menu. So yeah, really excited. But thank you very much for watching this pre-flight night video, and please watch our next ones, especially the one with Epic in. See you soon. Bye.